Like, guys, please go on mute. I'm getting disturbance and it's disturbance for everyone. Prasad, you are always. So automation points, what I need to talk, frameworks and design. So we are telling 2 points, having very good experience into TestNG framework, data-driven framework, and BDD Cucumber framework. Having very good experience into page object model design pattern and page factory model design pattern. Any difficulty in that point? Over, right? Okay. And automation points, having regressions, having very good experience in automating and executing the regression suite. Automating and executing the regression suite. Okay. Okay. And what is the next point? Script, having very good experience in script development activities. So we are developing scripts, right? So having very good experience in script development activities. So automation points are over. Okay. Now you can able to talk about those automation points, everyone. Okay. 1 second. So having very good experience in TestNG framework, data-driven framework, and BDD Cucumber framework, and having very good experience in page object model design pattern and page factory model design pattern, and having very good experience in automating and executing the regression suite for every sprint release, and having very good experience in developing script development activities for the new functional features. Over, automation points are over. Okay. Now I need to talk about tools. So tools, what are the tools that I'm talking? HPALM and GitHub. So how I need to talk about these 2 points? Having very good experience in test management tool using HPALM, and having very good experience in, you can talk about this point like this, having very good experience in test management tool, or you having very good experience in defect management tool as HPALM and defect follow-ups with the development team. You can call it as a test management tool or defect management tool. Having very good experience in defect management tool as HPALM and defect follow-ups with the development teams. Okay. And for code repository management tool, we are using GitHub. Okay. Now, third point, you have to talk about manual functional testing activities. So in functional, so you need to talk about types of testings, having very good experience in smoke, sanitary regression, new functional requirements testing, and system testing.
System testing.
Okay, types of testings you have to talk about, and having very good experience in writing of test cases. Okay, test scenarios and test cases, and having very good experience in writing of test scenarios and test cases. Okay, having very good experience in writing of test scenarios and test cases and executing the test cases. And what else I need to talk about in functional aspects? Very, very important point I have explained. Having very good experience in giving the test scenario walkthrough sessions.
Walkthrough session.
See, most of the people will see why our resume is shortlisting for so many companies. You know what is the key point? Most of the people won't highlight this point. Okay, having very good experience in STLC and Agile Scrum methodology. If you don't keep this point in your resume, you won't get single call from any of the company. People doesn't know what are the key points that needs to be highlighted in the resume. So you have to tell about this point. Okay, having very good experience in STLC and Agile Scrum methodologies. So what else? involved into all kind of functional KT session activities. Okay, participated into all kind of functional KT session activities. Okay, participated into all kind of functional KT session activities. Okay, did I miss any of the points? So now let's summarize the points. Okay, professional experience. You have to talk about professional experience. First, so your overall experience. First, hi, I'm Sudhakar. Hi, I'm Sudhakar. And after that, you need to talk about your overall experience, comma, relevant experience. Relevant experience into having 2 years of relevant experience into Selenium Java automation testing and 1 year of experience into manual functional testing. Got the point? And you need to talk about your professional experience immediately. Professional experience. Yeah, currently I had from last 3 years I'm working for Cognizant Technologies. Prior to that, I had worked for Tech Mahindra for 2 years. Okay, so I have from last 3 years I'm working for Cognizant Technologies. Prior to that, I had worked for Cognizant Technologies. In case if you have previous experience in your resume, there are 2 companies are there. You need to tell about your professional experience. Okay, so while coming to every section, you need to add a subject line as coming to my professional experience, coming to my automation scripts, coming to the tools I had worked into HPLM. For test management tool, we had used HPLM, and defect management tool, we had used HPLM, and for code repository management, we had used GitHub. And coming to functional aspects, I have very good experience into various types of testing, smoke, sanity, regression. Okay, whenever you are adding any of the line, you can add simple word coming to. Okay, coming to my automation points, automation roles and responsibilities. Okay, coming to my automation frameworks, I had worked into. Simple word coming to. Okay, so that lines it will automatically added, and you can able to talk on any of the parts. Continuity part, it will be continued. Okay, so finally conclusion, what is the point? Again, you need to tell. Again, this is the point. And finally, yeah, that's it about myself. Over. Yeah, that's it about myself. Over. If I will share this running notes, you can able to talk, right? Okay, anybody. So,
Definitely.
but important. Okay, if I'm talking these points very scarily in a secured way, if I'm talking very lower, see the way of telling. So one guy is see, everybody is having nervous interview. People worry. See, whatever the result, you don't think about the result part. Okay, so this is the opportunity. It will come only one time, because you will describe by yourself only during the interviews. Okay, you can highlight it, you can raise your voice like anything. Your voice is very important. Suppose this is the same points, I can tell in a different way. Okay, I'm having 3 years of experience and 2 years into Selenium Java and 1 year into manual testing. And I had worked into automation frameworks, hybrid framework, TestNG framework, BDD Cucumber framework, and I'm having page object model design pattern. Nobody will show you pity on you. Okay, no one, they won't keep you in safe position. They will terminate you immediately. Okay, so you raise your voice and you can talk like anything. If you are talking securely, your job position is not at all safe. Okay, face the people. Okay, this is the tell me about yourself. Today whole day you can keep your these 12 questions. It will change your life, and you can able to talk with any of the people. Even real-time people also, you can go and talk in front of the real-time people. Even 15 years people also, if you are facing the, if you are tell me about yourself, okay, he will impressed. Even if you are talking with even 20 years experience people also, they will fail how to tell about yourself. Okay, you can test, you can go and talk with any of the 5 years guy or 10 years experience people, you can talk. Okay, you can test. So can I tell, I want to tell me about yourself, is this the way? You can ask them. You are prepared, excellent man, like that they will appreciate you. Understood everyone? Okay, so important thing is, whenever you are talking, take some pause, let people listen it. Okay, otherwise if you are rush and telling the answer and throwing the answer, it is useless. And even if you are talking securely with low voice, it is useless. Got the point? Okay, hi, myself, I am Sudhakar. I'm having 3 years of experience into testing and 2 years of experience into Selenium Java automation testing and 1 year of experience into manual testing. And I had worked into automation frameworks, into TestNG framework, data driven framework, and BDD Cucumber framework. Any difficulty? Any difficulty? Very simple English. And I'm having very good experience into page object model and page factory model design pattern. And I had very good experience into automating and executing the regression suite for every sprint release, involved into script development activities for the new functional features. And I'm having very good experience into defect management tool using HPLM. And for code repository management tool, we had used GitHub. And I have very good experience into smoke testing, sanity testing, regression testing, and system testing. And I'm having very good experience into STLC and Agile Scrum methodologies. And I'm very good into writing of test scenarios and executing the test cases, and having very good experience into giving the test scenario walkthrough sessions to project stakeholders, BA and design team. Okay, yeah, these are the roles and responsibilities I had involved. Overall, 2 years of experience into Selenium Java and 1 year of experience into manual testing. Yeah, that's it briefly about myself. Everybody has taken my attention, right? So everybody is able to understand, right? And whenever you are talking, take some pause and talk little bit loud, so that people will understand that you are talking very confidently. If you are talking very securely with low voice, nobody will show pity on you. Okay, you have to talk it loudly. That's it. Face the people, because you are going to face a group of people in the companies and organizations. Okay, see, to tell this topic morning onwards, how I need to tell effectively, I'm preparing myself. Okay, this subject, it has to reach for everyone. I'm preparing. Okay, just for 15 to 20 minutes I came to institute, and I'm preparing how, yeah, I can tell, so that you guys can able to prepare. So even myself also, for this class I had prepared. And whenever you are attending for the interview, you also need to prepare. Otherwise, you cannot able to talk in front of the people. Got the point? So while telling, don't tell you are from which location, you are from which city. Your pin code is not at all required for anyone. And your company, where it is located, address, these are not at all required. Okay, and I'm very good in watching of movies, playing cricket, badminton. What is this? Waste subject. Who will care about your hobbies? Okay, so you need who wants your address, your company address? Who wants your home address? It's waste of matter. Okay, so did I spoke anything about the address or pin code or state where it is located, company? Did I talked about anything? Okay, so overall technical points only I'm talking. Okay, and okay, so during your interview, first the interviewer, he will ask you first point. Hi Ravi, he will ask this, he will wish like you. Hi Ravi. Hi, suppose the interviewer name is Amit. Let us assume Amit. Hi Ravi. Hi Ravi, how are you doing? Hi Amit, I'm doing good. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. How are you doing? You have to say thank you. Okay. Hi Amit. So the interviewer is, hi Ravi, how is your day? He will ask you like that. Before starting, tell me about yourself. Okay. Just listen what he is asking. Don't rush into tell me about yourself. Okay. what he is asking, just listen that point. Okay, if you are starting, if you are running and rush into that way, don't. So while talking in the interviews, you should not rush to tell your answers. Wait, take pause and tell it slowly. What he is asking: hi Ravi, how are you doing? Then immediately, yeah, hi, myself, I'm Ravi, having 3 years. If you are starting like this, what will happen? What he is talking like this, so it will go some different direction. Okay, hi Ravi, how are you doing? He's asking, yeah Amit, I'm doing good, thank you, how are you doing? Nicely. Okay, this is not way of our English. Okay, but you have to talk like that. Okay, that is the way professionally you have to talk it. First, wisdom. Okay, if you are not wishing and you are directly jumping into your tell me about yourself, it will go complete. Even if you are telling excellent also tell me about yourself, it is waste, because you don't know how to wish the people. Okay, hi Ravi, how are you doing? He's asking, what is the point? Hi, myself, I'm 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, and waste. Okay, hi Ravi, hi Amit. Okay, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm doing good. Immediately he will say, yeah, I'm doing good. Okay, so how is your day? Yeah, it's going good. So how about you? Okay, okay, hope everything is safe from your side, like that he's asking, because COVID time, right? Yeah, everything, I'm staying at home only. So just wish the, if possible, talk private. If possible, you can talk very freely with them. If he is saying, so in most of the interviews, this is the kind of interaction it will start. Hi Ravi, how are you doing? Hi Ravi, hi Amit. Okay, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you? So many people will tell like this all, I'm doing good. But again, immediately you have to ask, I'm doing good, thank you. You have to say thank you, because he's asking about you. Okay, yeah, I'm doing good, thank you. How are you doing? Again, you need to ask, I'm doing good, thank you. And how are you doing? Okay, so immediately he will say, how are you doing? If he is not saying how are you doing, that means something went wrong. Something went wrong in the throughout the interview. Okay, the moment when he will ask, how are you doing, means, yeah, I'm doing good, thank you. How are you doing? You have to say, smile with smile face, not like serious. Yeah, I'm doing very good. Not you have to smile, little bit smile. Okay, yeah, I'm doing good, thank you. How are you doing? Little bit smile. Okay, oh yeah, thank you Ravi, how I'm doing good. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm doing good. He will say like that. Okay, okay, can you start your profile? And can he will start like, then you have to take, and you have to ready for your tell me about yourself. Got the point? Okay, if you are there is no smile face at all. See, so many people during the interview, people will scare and nervous about that, because you haven't prepared. That's why it is nervous. You are prepared, and you should be ready. You can listen and tell whatever he is asking, because you already prepared. You can able to talk some points. Okay, don't I will suppose sir has given so many points, might be I will miss some points. Just leave it. Whatever at that points, whatever points it is coming in your mind, talk very freely. Okay, and nicely. Okay, take some pause, talk slowly, what he is asking and what we have to respond. Got it? Okay, the interviewer asking, tell me, so immediately, okay, I'm doing good. Okay Ravi, when is your last working day? He's asking, yeah, I'm having 3 years, 5 years. What is this? What he is asking? When is your last working day? He's asking. Yeah, myself, I'm we have a 3 year. Gone. Your interview has gone. What he is asking, what is the answer that we have to respond? Okay, just to focus it. Okay, see, not only in the call, sir, not only in the professional calls. If somebody is coming and wishing you, hi Ravi, how are you? So yeah, I'm doing good. How are you? So మనం తెలుగులో ఎలా ఉంటాం? Okay, I'm okay, నేను బాగున్నాను, నువ్వు ఎలా ఉన్నావు అంటాం మనం. So same way we are asking in English, I'm doing good, thank you. How are you doing? Is there any difficulty? Yeah, I'm doing good, thank you. You have to say thank you. If you are not saying thank you, you are not giving respect to others. Okay, If you are telling thank you, it's will give a lot of impression throughout the interview. Simple manners is important. Okay, and simple smile is important on your face. If your face is very serious and if you are talking, it is waste. Even when you are talking about your, tell me about yourself, if your face is very serious and nervous and lot of tension on your eyes, it is waste. Even if you are telling this much subject also, people will watch you how smiley, how you are talking very nicely and with with some kind of friendly nature. They want, everybody wants that one only. If I'm telling very serious class, nobody will listen. Okay, similarly maintain some little bit smile. Okay, the first words, keep attention what he is asking, what you have to respond. Hi Amit, hi Ravi, he will say. So that guy is not responded, how are you doing? You can wish them. Hi Amit, how are you doing? You can wish them, you can start it. Yeah, I'm doing good, thank you. Thank you for asking. He will say like this, thank you for asking. Okay, okay. I'm doing good. Okay, hi Ravi, good morning. You can say like that. This kind of manners, it will take you to next levels. Okay, hi, you can say good morning. Hi Amit, good morning. I'm doing, how are you doing? You can wish them, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm doing good, thank you. How are you doing? Thanks for asking, man. How are you doing? I'm doing good, thank you. This is the manners, this is the secret of the success for the interview. Okay, how you are interacting, technical discussion, throw it other side. Okay, first you need to focus how you need to wish the people. If you are failing in wishing the people, it is waste. All remaining subject, everything is waste. Simple word, hi, good morning. Hi Amit, good morning. Yeah, good morning. How are you doing? Immediately you can ask, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm doing good, thank you. How are you doing? He will say like that. Yeah, I'm also doing good. Okay, okay. So how is your day? He will start. Okay, yeah, I'm very fine. Okay, so I'm from my side, everything is safe, I'm not going outside. So talk some personal discussion also if possible. Yeah, I'm not going outside. He'll so now the situation is controlled and we are going outside and we are coming. So like that you can talk some personal. Slowly you will get into the interview. Anyway, you will get into the interview. Okay, but that 5 minutes beginning time is very important. Got the point, everyone? Hope this session is helpful for everyone. Okay, so tomorrow's class, I will ask, tell me about yourself. Okay, I'm also sharing this point as well. Okay, one. So while closing the session, tell me about yourself. What is the conclusion point you need to tell? Overall, I'm having 2 years of experience into Selenium Java and 1 year of experience into manual testing. Yeah, that's it briefly about
Function.
myself. Okay, while concluding also, that point is important. Okay, this is the secret. See, I had cleared almost more than 1500 interviews so far. More than 1500. Okay, why those many people are getting means, this is one of the secret. Okay, so in the first 5 minutes only, I will take attention for others. Okay, and I will get some positive impression. Okay, so you won't observe you. So whenever you are facing the interview, you won't observe those keywords. Hi Ravi, say, he will wish me. He will say, hi Ravi, hi Amit, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm doing good, thank you. How are you doing? By the time your video, it won't be enabled, but you won't observe these points. So in every interview, I will wish them in every interview. Just observe that point. Okay, good morning, like that. Okay, and do lip sync practice for by yourself for external interviews. Okay, and so that you will be get confident by yourself. If you are preparing this, tell me about your subject content, you can able to clear. We will show you how many offers that you will get. We will show you maximum 2-3 offers for everyone. Understood, everyone? So today's time is important. Every hour is important. Prepare this content by today itself. Okay, so why I'm making attention for everyone? Still, most of the people, HR team, they are requesting us. HR team, they are requesting, at least you can they're asking, so at least make them perfect, at least for tell me about yourself. I have taken very light because that is virtual interview and our people are from virtual only. So I have taken very light. But this time I'm seeing difficulty because you have to go for the office and you have to talk in front of the people. Okay. So, and you have to face the interviews face to face. Okay. That's why we are focusing on these 12 topics. Okay. If you guys miss these 12 topics, okay, you cannot able to survive, no doubt at all. If you are attending these 12 classes, you can able to attend any of the client round interview by yourself. External interview, they can ask you from database, they can ask you from core Java programming, they can ask you from Selenium, they can ask you for manual testing. That external point that we are managing. Okay, so that part we are taking already. Okay, but at least you should be ready to take care about your client round by yourself. Okay, these 12 tests, these 12 questions, okay, it will give you lot of confidence and makes you strong by yourself. Got the point? Yeah, that's it for today, and we can start the session 10 to 11 for March batch. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.